to City Grilling. My name's Rob. For this episode, a simple, easy, already pre-prepared meal, right, in a way. So I went to the grocery store, found this pork loin with bacon already on it. It's already seasoned up, ready to go. Real simple. So I took it out of the package, it's been in the refrigerator, sitting out here for about an hour to get kind of room temperature. So I'm ready to put it on the grill. So let's go outside and start cooking this piece. So I'm out on the grill. I've got the grill already preheated at 350, almost 375, which is perfect. I don't want to get too much hotter than that. So with that bacon on top here, it's not wrapped in bacon. It looks like they just have chunks of bacon on there. So I'm just going to pull this off of the cutting board here and just slide it right here onto my grill. Oops, losing some bacon. Gotta make sure that stays on there. And we'll cook this for a good maybe 15 to 30 minutes and then rotate it a little bit. I'll just kind of watch and see how the bacon stays on here, whether it all falls into the grill. That'll be interesting, but it'll taste good nonetheless, I'm sure. All right, we'll come back in just a few. Okay, it's been a good almost an hour, about 55 minutes. I've been watching this. I've been rotating it left and right. I haven't flipped it over because I don't want this bacon chunks that are on here to fall off. Let me turn on the light here. So I don't want the bacon to fall off. So I've been rotating it, and I can do a squeeze test. I can feel it's pretty firm. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my plate here, take it inside and let it rest for about 10 more minutes. It'll continue to cook, right? Since we've been on the grill. So we'll take it inside, rest for 10 minutes and get ready to slice into it. Okay, we're inside. We've got this pork bacon, not necessarily wrap, but bacon flakes on top of this pork tenderloin. We're gonna go ahead and slice into it. It's been resting here for about 10 minutes. Get the juices to go back inside of the meat. So we're just gonna take a slice out of here. It could be a little bit of pink inside, and that's fine on a pork tenderloin. It looks really nice though. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few more slices off of here. Get ready to eat dinner. I am starving. This is looking wonderful already. So I'm gonna cut a few more. And I'm sure it tastes pretty good for a store-bought piece of meat, of course. So I'm gonna actually grab a little piece off of here. I'm gonna try it for myself. Cut it here. I'm gonna grab a little bit of bacon right there. This smells good. Yeah. Go ahead and try one of these. Pick it up at your grocery store. It's already done. Easy to make. Put it on the grill. You could also do it in the oven if you had to. There's directions on the package. Very good. I'd recommend it. Go for it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to citygrilling.com to get any recipes.